Mark is currently repairing hoses, connections and hoses on automatic waterers and stuff. The pigs ran and knocked one loose and busted it, and they also knocked over their water bucket with the nipple on it that had a crack because they keep knocking it over, and it busted right where the nipple screws in. So he's currently in the process of repairing these things. Always something to do at the farm, guys. Look at little Peanut running around. And we still got this laying on the ground trying to block Miss Angel from digging out, because it don't matter what we do, she digs out. A little escape artist. Little Peanut's just as cute as he could be walking around here like he owns the place. And Cookie, I ain't chasing her down right now. We know where she's at. She's over there under the rabbit hutch, rooting around. It's nice and cool over there. She's not going to go anywhere. Dozer is over there watching her. Hang on. Get Cookie back, Dozer. Get her back where she belongs. Don't you let that unruly pig run around here. Look who's hopping around over there. Close to the goat pen. And these goobers. Go see my Penelope. Y'all found y'all some new roosting spots, huh? Since we took down the chicken coop. They've kind of been forced. I made them an area, but no, that wasn't good enough. So they're kind of was forced to make their own way. Find them a new place to roost. See, we got a random duck egg. I'm surprised Penelope didn't consume it. Hey, Penelope. There's my little girl. Hey, Penelope. What sweet baby. Come see Mama. It's all right, Angel. Hey, my sweetness. Hi. Hi, my sweet Angel. Were you tired, my baby? Huh? Were you just that worn out? Huh? I don't like this thing hanging over the top of you. You don't mind, huh? We're going to try to move it a little bit. Is that your favorite laying spot? So give me a minute. Oh, Penelope. Penelope. Come on. You want to come back in here? Kitty cats are trying to lay with you, huh? Want to come see Penelope? Come on. Well, y'all sure are invading her space. Come on. Come on, Penelope. Come on. Come on, Penelope. Come on, Penelope. Come on. You come back in your spot. What y'all doing over here? Looking for a dry place? That's Mama's girl. Hey, that's Mama's girl. Penelope. Can I have sugars? Can I? Can Mama have sugars? Can Mama have sugars? Please? Come give me sugars. Come give me sugars, Penelope. Wanna get Mama sugars, huh? Wanna get Mama sugars? Hey, my sweet girl. You my baby. Angel. Start rubbing her as she plops. She loves her pets. You look miserable, Nellaby. See, them guys over there is getting all crazy, huh? You right, Penelope? My sweet baby girl. I pray you okay, Penelope. Let me go see what's going on, guys. They're going crazy. Give me a minute. Melly come to eat. Come on, Melly. Come on. Come on. I'm coming. I'm coming. So Melly's over here getting her evening time dinner. Glad she's coming to eat, guys. Hey, Dingy Duck. Every day you look worse, Flip. Yeah, that's his spot. I put you a chair and some stuff there to roost on. Get up there, baby, so you're safe. And this is Boss. Here's his little toe fix where he had his spur whacked off when he jumped up on that metal, I believe. We don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what happened. Penelope, you done got in your water and took a bath, I see, and knocked it all out. Hey, my sweetness. How about we come in here where it's a little cleaner? Come on. Come on, Penelope. Come on, Penelope. Come on. Come on, my sweetness. Angel and Ginger, no. Come on, Penelope. Come on, sweetness. I love you. Say, Mama got to come see my baby. Even if it's raining and it slacks up and it's evening, we have to come see my girl, huh? Yes, we do. Say, we praying my girl's going to be okay. That she's just pregnant and she has a good delivery and that she's not just fat and or something's wrong, because I don't think in the little short time we've had her, in not even 3 whole months yet, that she could put on that much weight from what she's been eating. So we're just going to watch her, guys, and pray that she's fine. I'm going to go the whole 115-day gestation period that they say pigs are pregnant for, and just really watch her, keep an eye on her. And if a day or two after that she doesn't deliver, then we're just going to go ahead and see about getting her to the vet and see what's going on. Alright, guys. And you're going to roost there, you roost there, and you roost in there. And these guys are having fun swimming around. And that's messed up. I'm wondering if the ducks did it, or if Penelope's secretly getting in there. I haven't seen her yet, but we'll see. Nobody's chasing you, boy. You can go back right where you were. Say Audie hanging out over here. And Rambo hanging out up there. And Beautiful. Handsome. And Bootsy Boo, or Boots. And whatever that one's name is. Nameless. He's beautiful. I just never named him. Or I did and can't remember. At my age, you have all-timers, part-timers, or some-timers. You never know when you're going to have what. So, we'll just leave it at that. I'm not that old, guys. I'm only 52. Sometimes we say we're old, but that's not old. My husband's 6 years younger. Which is nice for me. What you girls doing, huh? Mama don't have anything to offer. Y'all have been fed. I just wanted to say hi. That's all. Hey, Molly. Just wanted to say hi. Hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. Tweety tweet. Tweety tweet tweet. Hey, Tweety tweet. Where's my Tweety? Where's my Tweety tweet? That's my Tweety tweet right there, huh? Show them how you sing. Say, I'm not a chicken, I'm a songbird. I was a songbird. I used to live inside. Now I'm trying to be a chicken. Cookie and Peanut. What are y'all doing today? Are you being good? Huh? Hey, babies. Hey, Melly. You done? You done, Melly Mel? Come here. Come here, Melly. Come here. Y'all don't mess with her. Mama says she could stay. You're free to stay, Melly. You are. You're welcome here. Alright, guys. I just wanted to check on my baby. You scratching? Let me say hey to my little girls. Hey, little girls. Hey, my sweet babies. Hey, Angel and Ginger. Hey, sweet darlings. Hey, sweet babies. See y'all's food got messed up again. Again. Yeah. Let me see if I can find a little snack for y'all. Hold on.